Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, I will show you how to add tap to cache on iPhone Control Center. And here's how it's done. Step 1. Make sure your iPhone is updated. First, make sure your iPhone is running iOS 17.4 or later, since tap to cache is only available in that version and above. To check your version, open the Settings app, tap General, tap About. Look at the iOS version. If you are not on 17.4 or higher, go back and tap Software Update to install the latest version. Step 2. Open Control Center Settings. Next, let's head into the Control Center settings. Open the Settings app. Scroll down and tap Control Center. Step 3. Add tap to cache. Now it's time to add the tap to cache control. In the Control Center menu, scroll to More Controls. Find tap to cache in the list. Tap the green plus button next to tap to cache. It will now move into the included controls section. Step 4. Test it out. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen on Face ID models to open Control Center. You should now see the tap to cache icon. Tap it to instantly launch the tap to cache feature and start sending or receiving money with just a tap. And that is everything you need to know about how to add tap to cache on iPhone Control Center. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.